If you got yourself a Chevy Cobalt 2007, how to remove a stick shift on a manual. Simple. Remove the skirt, twist it to the left, unlock it, push down.
Oh, you want me to hold the camera? You can start over?
Yeah, it's easy.
But what, you're giving a bogus video.
No,
you started your video or no?
Yeah.
Here, take this out.
And then you got these teeth here. And then you lift them. Here, upwards. Got little teeth digging in. And can you hold it actually? Right here, you lift these little teeth up. They're digging in there pretty good. There's one. There's two. And then you lift up. Comes out just like that. And then you're ready to put on your new one.